Hello gorgeous, I hope you're having a fantastic day. I haven't done a try on haul video for I don't know, I can't remember, so it's been a while. So I am so overdue to do this. So I got my lazy ass into the PRIMARK and TKMAXX and got some goodies. So I thought I'm gonna show you what I got and try for a first time. Well, at least most of it. I tried a few things and I already wore a few things because I posted pictures on my Instagram, but the rest, as new as it can be, has still tags on. Haven't tried it. No idea if it fits me or not. So this is what I got, guys. I have two full bags. We got some shoes, some tops, some underwear, some dresses. You name it, I probably have it in these bags. So let's try and see. Should I start from TKMAXX or PRIMARK first? Aside from PRIMARK, why not? Okay, let's do it. By the way, sizes are all from like M to size 4 and so on. That's why I think I'm not the best at buying things online, because it's, I don't know about you guys, but I prefer to see that in person so I know how it fits me. Some items I prefer to be way oversized, some items I prefer to be fitter, so I don't know if it's already oversized or not. So yeah, I have this problem all the time with buying anything online. First thing I got from PRIMARK is this lovely dress. I usually wear UK size 6 or size XS, but want this to be oversized, so I took UK size 10. This costs £15. It's more like an oversized loose, very summery, kind of see-through-ish dress. It's maxi size. I love that it has this adjustable stripe, so you can make it longer or shorter, whatever you prefer. Love the material. It actually says PRIMARK Cares, made using sustainable viscose. Here you go. That's amazing. Alright, so I got this dress on. It feels extremely comfortable. I took in a size 10. I'm usually size 6, so it's extra loose. But I actually really like that because being as hot as it is currently, let's just hope it's gonna stay like this, it's really nice. Like, what do you guys think? Yeah, loving this. Can you tell? Yeah, I think it looks amazing. It's extra comfortable. It's extra long. Feels amazing on. I just want to do this. I just hope you see how long this dress is. Can you see? Yeah, it's like super wide. Super wide, super long. It's proper maxi dress. So another item I got in here is this top that I actually tried already. I posted Instagram post already wearing this. It cost only £4. I took in a size XS. It has this like elastic sew in, so it's super tight on the body, kind of like a crop top-ish. Very comfortable though to wear. So I think we should try this on just now so I can show you how it looks. But to wear something on a bottom part, so I don't stand here half naked. I got these shorts, the cycling shorts, because you can never have too many cycling shorts, can you? These are like a cotton material. I'm not sure if you guys can see this properly. I took once again size XS, so this was £2.50. So I'm gonna try this on and come back to you in a second. The top looks like this. As I said, the material has like a sew-in stretchy thing, so super elastic. It's very comfortable to wear. It has these spaghetti stripes. It's not adjustable though. I like this ruffle detail here. Yeah, really like this. It looks a bit like a corset in a way. The shorts are proper high-waisted shorts. I'm really happy about the shorts, and the fact it only costs £2.50. I think it looks really good. What do you guys think? So I got this one piece. Once again, I don't have anything in yellow, so I went for yellow color. This one is in a size XS and costs only £4. I love one piece bodysuits like this. I haven't tried this yet, so I don't know how it's gonna look on, if the size is correct and all, so I think we should just try it. Material itself, once again, is very soft and stretchable. Okay guys, so the body is on. I really like this part. It makes it look like I really have boobs. Oh my god, trust me. But this cut is kind of very flattering. Is that a V cut, U cut, whatever it's called? Loving this. These parts are higher, so optically it makes it look like your boobs are bigger than it is. So if you are small chested like I am, it's for you, girl. Do you guys think? I'm obviously wearing shorts because I don't want to stand naked in here. But it's very comfortable. Got a few t-shirts in here because I got this cycling shorts. So I thought, you know, it would be nice to have an oversized t-shirt kind of matching this in. So I got this t-shirt, like a nice sandy color. I took though in a size L because I wanted to be extra oversized. This only cost £4. As I said, I took like the size range where I bought in this you know, from size 4 to size L. And I really like the oversized look. Material feels extra soft. I'm not sure if it's cotton, made using sustainable cotton. Here you go, guys. So I got a t-shirt on. As you see, it's extra oversized. The sleeves are like 3/4 sleeves in this case. Touches my elbows. It's proper wide because I think the cut of this t-shirt is anyways a bit wider, but kinda crop-ish. It's not, you know, super long for that kind of white t-shirt. Love this part as well that it has like a double fold on the sleeves. I really love this. Yeah, extra comfortable with the cycling shorts on. Loving it. I actually got sandals. I forgot to mention. Wore with sandals already because I couldn't wait. I went to a beach event and all because I needed a pair of sandals. So yeah, so I got these slide-on sandals. As you can see, I've been wearing it because you can see my toe print already. I've been to a beach event. I went in the water as well. They got proper drenched wet. Still looks good. It's extremely comfortable, you guys. Like extremely comfortable. It has like a rim around in here that your feet sit so perfectly comfortably in. And this cost only £6. I literally couldn't recommend these sandals more if I could. Alright, I got a few more things from Primark. I got some underwear, bikini, some makeup, and a few more t-shirts because one t-shirt was clearly not enough for me. I don't know, I was on a t-shirt mood. What is a better way to get a t-shirt than go to the men's section in the Primark? I don't know if you guys go to check men t-shirts in a Primark or hoodies, but I always do. I get some hoodies and some t-shirts from there for myself, and usually I take it oversized, so I take like size L, and my husband is like, that's men's one, so he starts wearing it. So I got a few more t-shirts from men's section. I got this actually classic white tee because it was cheaper in the men's section than in the women's section, so I took this one in the men's XL, and this cost only $3.50. Just your classic white tee. As you see, this t-shirt is oversized, but not as oversized as the beige t-shirt was, not as wide, and material is completely different. This is more like a elastic material. It's very stretchy, and that one was like a cotton, but it's a classic white tee which can be worn with cycling shorts, with jeans, with, you know, blazer, or you name it. It's just a classic tee. Like, everyone should own a white classic tee. Do you guys agree? I really like this one actually because it's a tie-dye. It has this logo saying New York. It's super oversized and it was on a sale, you guys. So I took in a size L. The sides in here might be slightly bit too widely opened, but don't mind that, right? Alright guys, I got this t-shirt on. As you see, super long. As I said, these parts are extra cut so you can see everything. So you might want to wear like a little tube top or bikini, or if you're okay wearing your bra, so you find it that. You go, girl. Yeah, I kind of like getting t-shirts from men's side. It's just some styles I really like. Plus, t-shirts are mostly gender neutral, like it suits everyone because it's just a t-shirt, right? Yeah, I really like the way it looks. What do you guys think? It's almost the length of my shorts, so technically this could be a t-shirt dress. It definitely could be worn over the bikini without, you know, shorts under because it's just so long. Look how high my shorts are. I've got a few more things from Primark and then we can move on to the TK Maxx. I got some underwear because who doesn't need underwear? I took in a size XS. These are the 3-pack hipster. It costs $5. I really like the colors. It looks pretty on. I had this style before. It's super comfy. And I took one more pair which is very similar. Once again, I have these. These are called 3-pack Brazilian. Once again, I took in a size XS and it costs $5. I got some more underwear. I actually got a bra. I'm not gonna be trying underwear on, but your girl needs some push-up bra because not everyone is blessed with size DD, you know. So I got this multi-way maximize your assets push-up bra. This only cost £8. I don't really ever buy bras from Primark, so I wanted to try this. I actually tried this already. I thought I'm gonna show you. So if you like in the size like me, this is actually really good and really comfortable. Yeah, good quality. I was surprised about that. One more clothing item what I got is the bikini top because you can't ever have enough bikinis. It has this like a silicone part going around so it doesn't slide up and down. Love this little detail in here. Got a few mascaras from Primark. I haven't tried either of these, but I do love Primark mascaras. Like today, I'm wearing this mascara by Primark. This called 3D Lash Effect. I think it was like £3 or something. So this is mascara what I'm wearing today. So I got two more mascaras. This one is the Aqua Lash Waterproof Mascara with vitamin E, and that costs only $2.50, guys. And I needed a waterproof mascara, so I went for it. Let's just see how the brush looks because it's still brand new, it's still wrapped. I have no idea if it's any good or not. Ooh, I love it. It's a silicone brush. I'm all about silicone brushes, you guys, because I just find it so much easier to use. I like that some bristles are shorter, some longer. That means it's gonna coat all the lashes. If you don't know this, guys, Primark makeup is cruelty-free and vegan friendly. This one is the $1 Billion Lashes Instant Volume Curled Lashes 16 plus hour wear. It all sounds amazing. Just gonna open quickly this up to show you. See how brush looks because on the picture brush looks amazing. Ooh, okay, hello. I love a curve. Once again, it has longer and shorter bristles, and this curve is actually perfect for lower lashes. Should I do maybe a separate video reviewing these mascaras, like a wear test and so on? If you would like me to do so, leave a comment down below, let me know so I can do that. Okay, so we are done with the Primark now. Let's check what I have in here. Let's do it. So I got this little cute crop top. It says no llama, no fama. For those who don't know, the TKMAXX basically does all the brands you can imagine. It's like a outlet, the brown outlet or something like that. So this little crop top is kind of oversized. It costs only $4.99, which I think is a bargain. I took this in a size S. Really like the design, like the llama with pink shades on. This t-shirt is super cute on, as I said, it's really cropped up, like my bra is just here. So it's like super cropped up. It's very comfortable because it's not super tight on the body. Yeah, loving this. I think it's perfect for summer. I also really like this slogan in here. I think it's cute. Okay, I got some shorts and some more tops. So I got this pair of lilac shorts made from super light material, like slightly bit see-through. It has pockets in the back. It's more like a classic style shorts, kind of like a sport shorts because it's not super tight or anything. It has like proper pockets. This costs only $5.99 in TKMAXX, and it is from Zara, you guys. So really like that it has this elastic part as well as having a clip and a zip in the front. Alright, so this is how it looks on. It doesn't really match with this t-shirt. Well, I just want to show you the shorts, so ignore the t-shirt. It's super loose. It's more like a skirt, like a, you know, skirt, but it's shorts, which is comfortable. Really loving it. It's super light. I love the way it looks, you guys. Size XS I think is a perfect fit for me. Yeah, loving the way it looks. What do you guys think? Okay, we got more things. Let's just check what else we have because otherwise this video will be far too long. Okay, so I got a few more tops and shorts and pair of shoes. So another top I got in here is from Pull & Bear. I got it in a size S, and this cost me $4.99. So it's a crop top decorated with some bottoms, long sleeves. Okay, I really like the way this top looks, you guys. Love this deep cut. Love the sleeves. The size is just perfect. Love this like asymmetrical line of the buttons. It's not real, like it's just decoration. It doesn't open up or anything. Loving this top. Yeah, what do you guys think? Alright, we got a few more things. I got one more pair of cycling shorts. So these are from the brand called Brave Soul London. I took in a size XS and this cost me $3.99 only. So material has this kind of pattern, like a lines going through. If you guys can see, I'm not sure if it's visible for you through a camera. It feels extremely soft, like material feels extra soft. Got shorts on and oh my god, you guys, this is like the most comfortable shorts you can imagine. I am not even joking. The material is amazing. The length is like perfection. It's not too long, it's not too short, it's super stretchy, it's very comfortable, like as comfortable as it can be. You guys, I'm loving this. Love it. It's high-waisted. I got a few more things in here. So I got this top. I love the color. It's like a crop top semi-turtleneck. Is from Pull & Bear. I took in a size M. Here we go, size M. This time. This one costs only $2.99. You guys, bargain. You guys, I absolutely love this top. Can you tell? I love this semi-turtleneck. Yeah, I love this. I love this detail in here. Alright, so I got one more top and a pair of shoes. Let's do a pair of shoes first and then we can do the last top. But this top, you guys, is a yay or nay? Let me know in the comments down below which item is your favorite because I am a little bit obsessed. Okay, so I got a pair of kicks because who doesn't like a pair of white kicks? I'm still obsessed with chunky kicks, so I went for that. These cost $14.99, you guys. Yeah, really loving this. This is not real leather, obviously. I'm vegan. I wouldn't wear real leather if you don't know this yet. Alright guys, I got one more t-shirt. I took this red top off. I just have bra on now because it's so hot in this room with the lights. This one is from Zara. It's from men's section. It's in a size L because I love men's section so much, you guys. Can you tell? This cost me only $5.99. Material is like semi-sheer. Very soft and feels very light, so I thought it's gonna be perfect look with my biker shorts, so I went for it. I absolutely love the way it looks on. I think this one might be the one that my husband might steal from me because it's from men's section. Wow, I love it. I absolutely love it. T-shirts are so universal, right? Like, I shouldn't feel guilty, right? Material is very nice. Extremely soft. It's like properly oversized for me. Can you guys see this? It's like properly longer. Really love the way it looks with those chunky white sneakers. I think it's perfectly casual style. Plus you could wear this as a t-shirt dress because it's so long. There's no point on buying like expensive t-shirt dresses just because it's named so. Just get a bigger t-shirt from men's section and here you go, a t-shirt dress. And cheaper. What do you guys think of this try on haul? Do you like any of the items that I got? Or you maybe have any items that I got? Let me know if I should do more try on hauls. And if you shop in either Primark or TKMAXX, I absolutely love TKMAXX. I don't think I ever done TKMAXX try on haul. What do you guys think of this try on shopping haul? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. Let me know what you'd like to see next up on my channel. More review videos, more try on hauls, more makeup tutorials or vlogs. I actually have a vlog coming up. I just need to edit it. And yeah, I shall see you soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Ciao for now, guys.